Thinking of starting forex trading? Stop right there. Before you risk your hand and money, I'm going to break down 5 critical steps that every beginner must know before entering into this market. Now, stay with me till the end because I'll reveal the 5 biggest mistakes that cost beginners their money and how you can just avoid it. By the end of this video, you'll have a real plan, not just a hype. And the step number 1, let's start with what is forex trading. Now, forex trading means just a foreign exchange. It's the market where currencies are bought and sold. It's the largest financial market in the world with over $7 trillion traded every single day. You don't just trade one currency, you trade currency pair. For example, if you have Euro USD, you are buying the euro against the dollar. If the Euro USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1010, that 10 pip move. Now you may be asking yourself, what is a pip? It actually stands for percentage in point. It's how the measure of the price in movement in the forex. Now, 1 pip is actually usually the 4th digit place. For example, 1.1010, 1.10. The 1 digit is actually the 1 pip. Now let's talk about leverage. This is where people either win big or lose everything. With a leverage of 1 is equal to 100. For example, let's say you have deposited $100 and you are controlled and you have selected a leverage of 1 is equal to 100. That means you are controlling $10,000, and that is 100 times 100 worth of currency. Sounds good, right? But remember, leverage magnifies both profit and losses. Now let's talk about the broker, the middleman between you and the market. Good brokers give you tight spread, fast withdrawals, and regulation protection. Bad brokers, they manipulate the spread, delay withdrawals, and even some refuse to pay out. Do your research properly. Quick do's and don't with brokers. Number 1, let's start with do's. Choose regulated brokers. Don't just go from brokers just because they have high leverage or just flashy bonuses. And step 3, master chart reading and price action. Now that you know what is forex, how do you really trade it? By reading chart. Forget trying to trade based on the feeling or random news headline. For example, GBP USD drops all the way to 1.2500 and the support level zone. I'm always engulfing candle forms. That's why I prepare my buy order. What do I use? Candlesticks, support and resistance, maybe one of the moving average EMA, and that is it. What I avoid 6 different indicators. Clustering my chart. Start simple. Learn the market structure fast. Now let me give you these tips. Price action is actually the king. Indicators should only confirm what you already see on the chart, not tell you what to do. And the step number 3, let's talk about the risk management because this is non-negotiable. If you don't remember everything else in this video, I really want you to remember these things. That risk management will either make you or break you. Yeah, exactly how I trade. 1, I risk $20 to make 1 to 2. This is actually a risk reward ratio of 1 is equal to 2. If I lose, it is actually small. If I win, it will actually be big. For example, if I am buying a GBP USD at 1.2500, the stop loss is 1.247, target profit is 1.258. 3 big things that kills beginners. Now, no stop loss, recipe for disaster. Over leveraging, 1 trend can actually wipe your account. Now, revenge trending, you lose. Trying to win everything back, you lose more. Forex is not just babbling, it's actually controlling the risk. And step number 4, train your mindset. Now, here is the truth. Your mindset is the real secret to success. Real talk. I have made money, felt overconfident, took a random trend, lost everything, or just meant. Lesson learned. The market does not care about your feelings. Solution: I write down every plan before I enter trend. I don't change my plan during the trend. I don't chase the losses. Now, it's not about chasing the perfect trends. It's about following your plan consistently. And step number 5, practice on the demo fast. Please don't just jump into the live account with the real money. If you don't have a practice fast, start with the demo account. I used MetaTrader 4 from demo account for 4 months before actually risking the real money. Treat like real, but why? Because your emotions don't actually care whether it is fake or money or not. But most you can actually do on the demo account is if you know you'll be depositing $500, make sure that you set your demo account to $500. Don't just go to joke with $10,000 account and knowing so well that you're going to deposit $500. Now, another one is to make sure that you actually have a trending journal. This will actually ensure that you know, like for example, why did I take this trend? What went wrong or right? What's the lesson for the next time? That is now the purpose of trading journal. Don't just practice with the intention. Now, I want to know the fastest way to blow your account. Try and getting rich quickly. Forex is actually not a lottery. It's not a casino. It's not something that is, it's actually a skill that takes time. Smart trains build slowly, broke trains gamble recklessly. The market will actually be here tomorrow. Your job be here tomorrow too. Now, as I close this video, let me say this. If I helped you, make sure that you hit that like button. It helps push this video even to newer traders who need this information. Comment below which one of these 5 steps are you focusing on this week. I'll reply every comment because I want really to help you. And of course, subscribe. My next video will be breaking down my live trades in details, so don't miss this. The link to my beginners course and series is in the description below. Watch for the next video. See you in the next one. All the details in the description below.